What's going on, guys? Today I have a super fun video planned. I'm going to be customizing these Jordan 1s using some Angelus leather paint, and then I'm going to hydro dip part of them. I'm sure you guys have seen some hydro dipping videos before. Recently they've been pulling an insane amount of views, and I gotta give a shout out to Marco. He's the one that inspired this hydro dip video. You guys should go check out some of the hydro dipping videos that he's done, but just so you guys know, I'm definitely not doing this for the views. I will be giving these away to one of you guys, so if you want to enter the giveaway, all you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram at SecretCypherCustoms, and then leave a like and comment on this video when you're done. I'll pick a winner for that in 2 weeks. Speaking of giveaways, I'm going to be announcing the winner of these cartoon Jordan 1s at the end of this video, so stay tuned for that. But this is going to be a really fun custom, so let's get started. Before I do anything to these shoes, I'm going to remove the laces. Using some acetone, I'm going to rub down each panel of the shoe to remove the factory finish so I can paint right onto the leather. The Jordan logo has a plastic film over it, so I'm going to remove that as well using more acetone. Now I'm going to mask off each part of the shoe that I'm going to paint black. The paint I'm using is some Angelus flat black, which I'll have linked below. So I've got the paint laid down on both of the shoes. I'm only going to be hydro dipping the front panel and then the back panel. So hopefully the tape holds up and I get nice clean lines. But we'll see. So I'm going to tape them up and then head outside. I've got the shoes all taped up, which took almost an hour to do, and a whole roll of tape. So hopefully this holds up. If you want to hydro dip something at home, it's really simple. All you need is some water and some spray paint. The colors I have are magenta, glossy black, brilliant blue, and glossy white. As you can see, I completely missed these front panels, so I'm going to redip them. If you try this at home, I highly recommend that you buy gloves. So here's what we have before we take off the tape. Hopefully nothing leaked. Thankfully the tape held up perfectly. On one of the shoes, the black paint peeled off with the tape. I think that happened because I didn't give the paint enough time to dry, but on the other one it turned out fine. So I touched up all the black paint, and honestly these came out way better than I thought they would. These might be my favorite customs that I've done on this channel so far. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. And don't forget, if you want to enter the giveaway to win these shoes, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, follow me on Instagram at SecretCypherCustoms, and then leave a like and comment on this video when you're done. Around 11 o'clock tonight, I'm going to be picking a winner for last week's giveaway, so I'll pick the camera back up around then. Alright guys, so it's just about 11 o'clock, which means it's time to announce the winner for these cartoon Jordan 1s. So I'm going to scroll through the comments and then pick a random one. I'm going to scroll 35 times, and whoever I stop on, that's who's going to win. Alright, I have a winner here. So let's see. Christian underscore Rod 10. So congrats Christian, you won the giveaway. Message me on Instagram with your shipping details and I'll get these shipped out in the next couple days. Thank you to everyone who entered. I had like 30,000 people enter, well 30,000 comments. Unfortunately, a lot of them were marked as spam, so not all of them counted. But thank you to everyone who entered. I plan on doing a lot more giveaways in the future, so make sure you're subscribed. But that's gonna be it for this video, so I'll see you guys in the next one.